Is it really easy to earn money as a YouTuber? See, be honest with me, you have probably thought about starting a YouTube channel just for the money, right? See, I mean, who does not want to make money in this Nigeria now? Who does not want to make money just filming videos alone, just sitting at home from the comfort of his house, even traveling around your world, traveling, exploring? But here's the thing, is it really easy as it looks? Or are most YouTubers just hiding the struggle behind the camera? So stick around today because we are breaking down what the truth about making money on YouTube. The easy part, the hard part, and the thing nobody really talks about. Or the thing nobody really tells you. So let's go. Hello, my buddy. Hello, my bestie. And hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, Boluvibes. And on this channel, we are keeping it real about YouTube growth, storytelling, and how to build a channel that actually lasts. So if you have ever wondered, is it easy to earn money on YouTube? Today, we are getting the full, unfiltered answer and what? Real truth. Section 1. The dream versus reality. You see something? A lot of people only see the dreams. They see Mr. Beast giving out cars, didn't give away of cars. They see creators traveling, buying houses. They think, wow, YouTube money was very easy. Those people say, I got paid $dollars in YouTube. I got $dollars in YouTube. How much YouTube pay me? How much YouTube pay me? But the reality is, most YouTubers started off with earning $0. In fact, nothing. Many lost money in the beginning, buying equipment, paying for internet, editing application, even running ads. Just like me now. See, I pay for CapCut Pro almost every month, and still YouTube have not paid me. You see it? I pay for CapCut Pro. Even sometimes I don't have money, but I have to pay for it. See, YouTube does not pay for just uploading. No. You don't get paid until you hit a certain requirement. And that brings me to my next point. Section 2, the requirement. To even qualify for monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Or even 10,000 short views in 90 days. Now on paper that looks simple, it looks easy. But ask anyone on YouTube who has even tried it, they will tell you those numbers feels like climbing Mount Everest. When you start, you think, it's not 1,000 subscribers, you get it. It's not 4,000 jam. Start first. Start. Then you don't say no is. Especially when you are posting videos, they only get 20 views. You end up with 0.1 watch hour, 0.2 watch hour, 0.3 watch hour. That is when you will know why most people quit. That is why so many people quit even before reaching the monetization point. Because of what? The watch hour is very, 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 very slow. Section 3, the first paycheck. Okay, let's say you use monetization now. Does that mean you start making thousands of dollars? Nope. Most creators are shocked by their first YouTube shop. Paycheck. Some see $50, some see $100. That's after months of works. And why is that? Because YouTube pays based on ATS, on ads. And what? And how much you earn depends on your niche. For example, a finance channel can make $10 to $15 per 1,000 views. But if you're an entertainment or memes, you may earn only $1 or $2 per views. So it's not just about views alone. It's about what types of content you create on YouTube. So before you do it, know what you want to do on YouTube. Yes. Do you understand what I'm saying? So section 4, the hidden grind. Now let's talk about the grind nobody shows you. Behind every fun video you see, there's hours of brainstorming, filming multiple takes, editing at late at night. If you see me editing, it's late at night. Designing thumbnail. Until when I find out how to design thumbnail in a simple way. Writing title and description. And sometimes you still end up getting 0 views. This is why most people quit. This is why most people say YouTube money is not easy. Because it's not just all about making video. It's about running a business. YouTube is like running a business, so because you did not make sale yesterday, you did not mean say you no go reply, you no go come your shop today. No. You have to keep showing up until when you go viral. Yes. You are doing marketing. And subscribe to my channel. You are doing branding. Subscribe to my channel. You are doing editing. You are doing customer care, replying to comments. Yes, now. and so many more. See, most people don't tell you. The truth is, YouTube tests your patience before they reward you. That's what you don't know. So section 5, the turning point. But here's the truth. Once you figure out what your audience or who your audience are, things start to change. Maybe your 10th video flops, 20 video flops, but 30 video, boom, it takes off. See, YouTube notices and it pushes it to more people. Suddenly, you start getting traction. That is where monetization becomes worth it. That is when your $50 turns into $500. So let me tell you, there's some videos that I posted some months ago that did not get visibility until just recently started taking off. And that video is close to 7 point something watch out, something views. And when I posted that video was barely getting 100 views. It was at 94 at the first few days. Do you understand? But it only happens, and eventually to thousands of monies. But it only happens if you survive long enough to reach that stage. That's why I always say the money is not easy to get on YouTube, but it is possible. YouTube is hard. If I watch most of my video, I say, YouTube is hard, YouTube is hard. It's hard though. It's hard. If you watch my video, I say YouTube is hard. It's hard though. So section 6, other ways to make money. See, here's something most beginners don't realize. YouTube money does not just come from ADS alone. You can earn through brand deals, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own digital product, or even offering services like editing, mentorship. For most YouTubers, their income actually comes making money more than ADS. Yes, you make money either from all this one-on-one coaching, one-on-one teaching, one-on-one this thing. So even before monetization, you can start building income if you are smart about it. If you have system that how far, how do you do this identity? Charge them and teach them. Introduce people to YouTube. Yes, get your watch hour. You use live stream. So section 7, my honest answer. So is it easy to earn money as a YouTuber? The honest answer is no. I've been doing YouTube for the past 1 year. Like I started April 1st, 2024, which was on my former channel, Boluvibes channel. You understand? So I did a lot of mistakes in that channel. That's why I explained inside this video of my channel got deleted. So I had to restart this channel from the beginning. Imagine starting for 1 year and I've never monetized that channel. I had to create me 1 year. And this one is almost teaching 1 year to again, and I've never still monetized it. Because of it takes patience and a lot of consistency. But is YouTube worth all the whole stress? 100% yes. If you are passionate, if you love creating content, if you are willing to play the long game, YouTube can literally change your life. Yes. YouTube can literally change your whole orientation. Outro. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think making money on YouTube is easy? Or do you think it is just one of the hardest tools online? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Is it one of the hardest tools online? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Say no, to make money is not easy, but YouTube also hard. Smash that like button. If this video help you, don't forget to subscribe, because I've got real YouTube tips. I've got real YouTube tips coming your way. Until then, keep creating video, keep enjoying your channel, keep enjoying the fun. Don't just rush and monetize and start trying to reach $100, because your breakthrough video might just be the next video that you create. Might just be a video that you least expect. See, my video that went viral was a video that I can say in that video, I didn't really take it serious. I just catch cruise in that video, and that video is going viral. Can you hear me? So just keep creating. Love enjoying creating content. Love it. Love creating content. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found this video motivating. So see you in my next video. And I still know what I am Boluvibes. Sorry, check out my playlist. I am Boluvibes. Bye bye.